Yes, so you're not still there for Good Morning Naija show this beautiful Monday morning. And it don't reach time where we go get somebody inside the building, make we do it, make we follow discuss on some things that were very, very important to us and to everybody for inside the Obodo Nation where we day. This person where we call, where we get inside the studio, and a person where sabi on top political matters inside the Nigeria where we day. So, in a businessman and CEO of a own training company, they give training solutions to people them inside Obodo, Nigeria. And a political analyst Naibi, please help us to welcome Mr. Olubunmi Alibalogun.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning,
sir.
Welcome. We appreciate you come our studio this early morning because we know they're easy for you to get up and to come give us attention. For instance, we will salute you. And so, Mr. Olubunmi Alibalogun, you know, say election done election now they come. Election now you will start for February for inside 2015. You feel say this our country with the people, with the politicians, with everybody where they come out for inside government. You feel say we they ready for this 2015 where they come so?
That question will you ask he tie a pack on weddings. Make I no lie. You see, for me as an individual and as a citizen for this country, I go talk, say, if government fit do make them shift the election. In the sense, we be say, the way then they take do the thing, when people they call them wishy-washy, how I feel put them. And they know the registration no they smooth, especially for this Lagos. You know the population where we get for this Lagos, it they plenty well. And yes, and the number of people we don't register, we know if you see their voters registration card and all that it get as it be. So for me, I go talk say make government just try shift the thing. Sure you get.
You know, when they talk about level of say we don't they prepared. You know, say this matter where we they discuss, where we they see for grand, where you talk say everything no follow as it's supposed to follow. No be new problem. It be like say now every time we election one day. Because the similar demons will happen for the time where we do election last. Now it's still there this time around. Shey, you think say we know they improve? I be waiting be the problem where they cause all this similar problem. Because every time when we do election, we go get voters registration problem. We go get machine problem. I remember the last time they say all the machines that they bring, all of them know they work, they no get network, and at the same time people go see another name, see another face. But at the same thing we they see over and over again. We they say Nigerians know they grow. I be waiting they happen go.
Well, that question, okay, make I put on like this. We they improve. No, we no lie. Me, I think say our Presido, Goodluck Jonathan, the kind risk we take come put person like Jega as SINEC chairman. In look and say, you know, Jega no be politician, not technocrat.
Yes.
People they talk say then they think
well.
Thank you. So the way we look and say, okay, make I put this person, say maybe go do some things, and we will not lie. Jega don't try. But when people they talk, say, now the person where they pay the piper, they detect the tune, as I then talk. And so, if you want to move in such a way, if they don't give her money, make him do the thing when you want to do, they no go feel move at the speed, at pace, where in supposed move. So we don't improve. But my own be say all the machine where then they talk. You see, some people they will be say, like you talked before, they will be say for training. If you don't teach people how to make use of some things, it go get as it be for them. If you know, over the years, then they use youth copper.
Yes.
They do the election. You understand? So me, they look and say, okay, how now won't look take care of those people if anything, if begin happen for where then you understand security matter if it happen for where they won't vote. So it get as the thing they don't improve, but the improvement no be the one we be say if they say I would see more.
I like the angle where you talk about. I have been want to ask you again about the security level for inside Obodo where we dey, because we know say Boko Haram they worry for many states, Adamawa, Yobe, all those northern states them, and all those states them they go still need to conduct election. So what till we go talk say if we they say we never they prepared to register voters, how we take prepare to get secure for the election itself proper?
This one, this question, security matter. The primary how we go put on concern for government, we be say their responsibility to citizens now, security of lives and property. We be say for now, even which day now yesterday for Maiduguri now, say then kill 48 fishermen, people with the take hook and net, they catch fish for inside water. Thank you. But as the thing be now, if that kind of thing they happen, you see those places for the northern part, the people will come from that place, then get power for our political system, you know, where we're. So if you want to look at that kind of place now, if you want to talk through, election no go feel old. In the sense, say the thing where they happen for all the big, all the wahala.
But you know, they no go talk say they don't disenfranchise them, say that they are fundamental rights, but they don't give them the right to do it.
Even Bamanga took talk now. Say Nigeria they on the verge of chaos. Now the reason why I talk that thing now because of this security issue. Self, you get you know what thing they happen. If he be said a thing they old, everything they okay for that side. You get. This thing where they happen for security, make I not lie to you. International community itself then supposed to come look into this thing where you know they come here, but they no see because they no sabi the area. What would they call on terrain? They no sabi the area properly, you understand? So the way they take handle the matter, they can't look say this thing it passes. Share you get now. Nigeria won't buy thing from just because of the security matter. They won't buy a weapon from America. America say no. Then send money to go South Africa. Now Russia can't consider us small. Share you get this security matter. It go affect more no like go affect the election. Well, especially for that area, for that northern part where we say it inside Nigeria.
Well, Mr. Bumi, as you talk this security matter, it just brings us back to this INEC. People jagger them and concombility them. You know, say we supposed get things right from the onset. But now, just this morning, we hear say for one of the office for inside Lagos, they produce fake voters card. How you think say INEC? We think say INEC suppose they believe say they feel manage this kind of situation. Now, if people they hear this kind of thing say voters card they fake one day, you think say people go really want ginger come out, come vote with their conscience for 2015?
Once again, make I talk that your question, you wear jeans, tie wrapper. No be small thing. You see, if I don't know whether an allegation no, I been at something, you know, there are times people you get talk
because we never get our proper.
But if they talk say fire no feed day. I mean smoke no feed day. Fire no day. You get so. But if they don't see that kind of thing, now the responsibility of government to make sure say that kind of thing no happen. Lagos for election, Lagos get is stand gidigba. You know, Lagos no dey shake for election. If you look at the number properly, you get what we at the talk. But if they can't see that kind of thing, will happen for that kind of area for inside Lagos here, they need to look into it, make them look into the matter where because APC now APC get Lagos and the population, the kind of capacity where Lagos get for we people, it plenty well. So and if that kind of thing they happen, government himself will be say then get all the. I mean we hear say then send. With these people with they secure our environment, SSS, then send them go APC office. If you get power, if you do that kind of thing, you get power, make you move people to go look into that kind of thing. Where we say then they do such bad things. You know, you get.
Wow, very interesting and very, very hard topical issue. Now we carry Mr. Ali Balogun come today. Thank you very much. Say you find time come. In case say you miss and you want to ask questions or you want to contribute, make you just go to all our social media and make you go do it in jump and put your questions on top. But from now, thank you very much, sir. Say you come. We're going to just move straight to our fitness room, make we get very, very set for the next things that we do.
Where your count?